the first thing that I kind of like saw was the international student that we had. So we had people from Pakistan, from India, from South Korea. We kind of get like a different perspective on political topics. We oftentimes have like a German view of things, but it's like refreshing to just get like a different opinion.
Because of the current political conditions around the world are not exactly the ones that I agree with. And I would like to understand more about why people would choose a certain party or certain value, and I would like to see where it comes from. So from the seminar, I feel like I've learned a lot more and how people think.
In general, my expectations were fulfilled because we had external guests which came in with their perspective, explained things to us, how the transition of how things started from point A to point Z. And each section is a very unique perspective of the whole topic of democracy in crisis. Each section, each week, each seminar, each guest speaker discuss something that has to do with the core of democracy.
The workshops made us more familiar. Like, how do they discuss and how hard are these discussions that they are making, and how it is really hard to find a common opinion on something. And yes, democracy is, to me, is the having equality and, having this position and power to affect the laws. Yeah.